If File Explorer is freezing or crashing, you can work through a few safe fixes to get Windows 10 or 11 stable again. We'll start with quick cleanup, then move into built-in repair tools, and you'll see exactly what to click at each step on windowsforum.com. Clearing File Explorer history helps remove old or corrupted data that can slow Explorer down or make it hang. You open the Run dialog, type Control Folders, and press Enter to bring up the Folder Options window. Then you click Clear to wipe that history clean. If nothing happens after typing the command, make sure you press Enter to open the window before looking for the button. Running command prompt as administrator matters because the repair commands that follow need elevated rights. On screen, you open the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator, which is why the shield icon appears. That shield is your sign that Windows is asking for a privileged session. If the admin option is missing, try searching again from Start and use the right-click menu carefully. This confirmation step lets Windows know you want to allow the elevated command window to open. You click Yes on the User Account Control prompt, so Command Prompt can run with administrator rights. Without that approval, the system repair tools may not work correctly. If the prompt does not appear, check whether your account has the rights needed to approve the action. System File Checker scans Windows system files for damage, and that can directly affect File Explorer stability. In the administrator command prompt, you run SFC/scannow and let it complete the scan. If it finds problems, it can repair them automatically, so don't interrupt it while it works. If the command seems stuck, give it time. These scans often take several minutes before they show real progress. DISM checks the health of the Windows component store, which is the backbone for many built-in repairs. You open Command Prompt again and run DISM/online/cleanupimage/check health to look for corruption flags. This step is useful because it tells you whether deeper servicing issues are present before you restore anything. If the command finishes quickly, that usually means no immediate damage was detected, but you can still continue if Explorer keeps crashing. This is the deeper repair pass, and it can fix component store damage that SFC alone may not reach. You run DISM online/cleanupimage/scan health first, then follow with DISM online/cleanupimage/restore health on the same command prompt. These commands may take a while, so patience matters here more than speed. If restore health fails, check your connection and run it again, because that repair can rely on Windows reaching the right files. Keeping Windows updated is important because Explorer crashes can come from bugs that have already been fixed in newer updates. You open Settings and click Windows Update, which takes you to the page where Windows looks for available fixes. From there, you can check for updates and install anything pending. If updates refuse to download, try again after a restart, or make sure the system has a working internet connection. Once you finish these steps, File Explorer should have a much better chance of responding normally again. If the problem still returns, you can keep testing with more targeted fixes from windowsforum.com.